welcome back guys. I'm in the dyno today with Elliot. We've got a Mk7 Golf R in from a customer that's wanting one of our Stage 1 Plus Vudu packages. The car has got a forge intake already fitted to it, which I'll get some cinematics of. Elliot here is going to tell you what it's doing, all the logs and everything. Fire away.
So basically we've got this car on the dyno. I've run it up stock. I've logged all your fuel trims, AFR, everything like that, just to make sure the car's running spot on. This customer is running V-Power, which helps me considerably, because otherwise we'll just end up with problems,
well, we're going to need to
pull power, timing, stuff like that. But once I've got the Stage 1 Plus map on it with the TCU, we'll then run it up again, and then obviously we'll see the delta between the two runs on the graph, and which we'll show you and stuff like that.
So stock, what is this car doing?
This car stock has done 286 wheel.
Yeah. And are these supposed to be about 305 or something, are they?
Something like that, yeah. So this is quite a strong car, it's a fairly strong car.
Yeah, well the intake's going to make a big difference.
Yeah.
I know that on these, doing the intake pipe, which I think it's got that on as well,
intake pipe, yeah.
The induction kit, that makes a big difference, and it's probably got a muffler delete. Most people do that at the same time. So what we'll do is we'll cut now to some cinematics of the car, give you a bit of a look at this intake kit, and then once Elliot's flashed the new file on, we'll get some shots of him data logging and hopefully get some good figures out of it. We're expecting to see 330 to 340 wheel. We did a 95 run tune for a car last week, I think it was, wasn't it? So we built it specifically for 95 run. It still made 330 wheels, so that was particularly strong. Be interesting to see what this one does. Right, welcome back to the dyno cell. We are finished with this car now. We'll put a graph on in the comments so that you can see the before and afters. Elliot's taking it off the dyno. He's done all the data logging and he assures me that everything's perfect with this car. He's checked all the timing profiles, knock control, bits and pieces like that to make sure that he's happy. It's doing a consistent level of boost, and we've finished up on 336 at the wheels, which is somewhere in the region of, I'm going to say 375 to 380. Given the fact that this car has got some Stage 1 Plus modifications on it, that's a really good result. So fingers crossed, we're going to take it out on the road now, have a look, make sure everything's okay on the road, including doing some more data logging. Once we're happy with that, the customer will take it out and test drive, and if he's happy, we'll get paid and the job will be done. If you want to see more about the kit, I'll drop a link into the description below or into the comments section, so you can link directly to the Stage 1 Plus kit.